Year's Eve, friends, and while us parents are popping the bubbly, let the kids have some fun popping their own confetti popper. Half of the Chambers clan is here. We've got Isaac, the oldest.
Half.
Wait a minute. Was
Hang on.
here.
Where to get a picture?
And then Addie, and then Kent's lovely daughter, Kendall.
Kendall, hold up your hand.
Just to bring some sanity to this whole thing.
That's it. Right, I knew that.
So here's all you need. This is actually really cool. We've been talking about this all week. If you live in a house with a lot of kids, you're
gonna
a lot
have
of these. All you need are a few empty toilet paper rolls.
So kids, if you don't find any empty ones, run in there right now, really quick, because the segment's over, and just pull all that toilet paper off that thing, just as fast as you can, and get to that thing in the bottom.
What do you think the Duenas girls were doing for a half an hour before showtime? And then you need some colored paper or some scrapbook paper, some stickers, and some confetti.
We have all of that.
We've got all of it. Some tape.
And
You're
so
gonna
that
need
we
some
wouldn't
tape.
have a live cutting off of fingers on the air,
Right.
we cut off the balloons ahead of time.
We did, because that's all you got to do. Just take a standard balloon, just like this here.
That's a standard balloon?
And just, it's a standard.
know
This
it's
is
standard.
the L22.
Okay.
You know it. Just snip the top of it off. Snip the top of it off. Not the top of your finger, Isaac. The top of the balloon. And then you tie a knot at the bottom, just like you normally would.
Right.
And then you can take the open top that you just made, you
that.
stretch it out, you put it right over. Are you people watching? Because you're going to have to do this.
Go ahead.
Get it.
Oh, listen, Mr. Overachiever. Just because you're the oldest. Stretch it, put it over the toilet paper roll, release, and then you tape that on there, right?
You don't tape it.
You don't have to tape? Maybe you
No,
don't even
you
have to
don't
tape.
have to tape.
Oh, well, it just fits on there. If you're good
Thank
enough
you,
to
Kendall.
cut them to size.
They kind of got a little practice. Sam gave them a little bit of
Yeah,
practice.
that's
ahead of
true.
time.
And then,
Don't tell them our secret.
so then what do you think you do with the construction paper?
So
people?
then
Then you take
You wrap it
take the
around.
color you want,
Exactly.
put it around there and then you tape that.
wrap it around.
Oh, so you don't even have to tape the balloon.
And
You
we
can just
have
tape
the
the
tape.
construction paper.
We have the tape for everybody here. Everybody take some tape and tape your...
I
like
the green?
on there.
Yeah, that's right. Diane Duenas just reminded me in my ear that after the show, that tape dispenser has to get back to her desk.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an important thing. Good?
Hold on,
Now
Dad.
she went with the black. What should I read into that? Is that just a trendy,
I-
the red and black combo?
No, that's my favorite
Going
colors.
through a
Is it
God-
really?
she's going through a God phase.
blackface. Do what? Help my
Help your
child.
child.
Oh. Sometimes I have to be reminded to be a father. In fact, as my wife will
Okay,
tell you, most
so-
of the time. Here, let me help you.
So the older kids have it pretty much squared away here. You got your balloon over the bottom, and they put
So
their
just-
Mine looks ugly.
It's all right.
Stretch it
it'll
out
work.
like that.
All right.
See?
So
Good.
now
And then
we're going
go-
to take some decorations, which
Stickers.
right now is in the form of stickers, and you can decorate it any way you want, girls. Go ahead and get started.
That's perfect. How about you, Addie? You're looking
that
good. You're looking good. And then you can just take some construction paper and decorate the colors.
All right. So then they're going to decorate it with their stickers.
Yeah.
How we doing on time, Di?
We okay?
Putting Hagrid on here.
Okay, we
1
got a
minute.
minute.
All right.
So here, Isaac,
Take
if you
a
don't
couple
mind,
stickers on there.
I'm going to start loading your cannon. Is that all right?
Any of
Oh my
these?
gosh, this stuff. Hold
Yeah,
on.
hold on.
Maybe I
Hurry
should
up.
just
Get
grab
one.
it.
Yeah.
How much
We're
do we
running-
put in here since
gotta
you guys
put-
did some test runs?
However much you want.
Okay.
Our executive producer said depends on how much you're sweeping
All
up,
right.
Chambers.
So now,
I want to put
all right,
this
one more.
on.
One more.
That's good. Nice.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
I'm
All right,
just dropping it
let's get everybody loaded, and then like
Right.
on the count of
Hold it
three,
like
we can
this.
all
Yeah,
shoot them
that
off
looks
together.
ugly.
into the camera.
Yeah, that
All
looks
right.
ugly.
Now, here comes the key.
hold on.
We turn our back on the camera and
Can I load it up?
fill that tube as much as we can.
We'll put some stickers on in a minute. Let's load them
All right.
up here.
Load it up with confetti.
Blood,
Not too
blood,
much, 'cause you-
Oh, yeah, I don't
got
think
it.
there's such a thing as too much, man.
Just leave it.
All right. Okay.
Are we loaded? Is
Testing.
everybody loaded?
Everybody have one?
No.
No, almost.
Okay.
Wow, she's going
That's good.
to the end of the barrel.
That's good.
That's going to be a good
All
one to
right,
watch
that's
down
enough.
there.
That's enough. That's enough. All right.
So let's do
Ready?
it on three.
Go on the table. Keep them on the table.
Ready?
One.
1, 2.
Oh,
No, we don't need to
so
tape
listen.
the balloon on.
Hold it on in the bottom.
It's
so that doesn't
fine.
happen.
Just tape the construction.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Go! Happy New Year! Go, shoot.
My eye!
All right. Oh, that's good. See, if you don't
was
put as much
good.
in there, it does
Your
pop
own
good.
homemade confetti poppers for New
One more.
Year's Eve 2019.
One more.
Go.
Hey! Good
Hey!
stuff.
Wow.
Oh, that was a good one. Nicely done, kids.
We're going to be finding
right.
this stuff in places for a
We're
long,
gonna be
long
finding
time.
it. We have,
Thank you, guys.
We posted on our website, KMLB.com/greatday. If you want to give it a try, send us some
that was
pictures and show us how it. Whoa, man, that's working good.
Muppet.
Send us pictures of your attempt
Mine is
and
the
let us
best.
know how it went.
Yeah.
And maybe we'll show it on TV.
Let us know how it went.
There you go.